If you don't like boring food but still crave tamales, then get ready to explore some wild fillings. Welcome, food lovers! Today we're diving into the world of tamale fillings. First up, the classics. Delicious pork, tender chicken, and cheesy goodness. These are the tamales your abuela will be proud of. But wait, there's more. Ever tried a tamale with roasted veggies? Or how about a sweet tamale with chocolate and cherries? Yup, you heard that right. Your taste buds are in for a treat, and let's not forget the fusion flavors. Think BBQ pulled pork or spicy buffalo chicken. Tamales are like the chameleons of the food world. They can be anything you want them to be. So whether you're a traditionalist or an adventurous eater, there's a tamale filling out there just for you. Hungry yet? Go on, give these fillings a try and let your taste buds dance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious food adventures. See you next time.